Oh, hello. Hello.
Jeg troede, du var gået herover på den anden side, over parkeringspladsen.
Oh, hello, my friend.
Hello to you. Hello to you, girl.
Yeah, why are you like that?
Hello to you. What?
Yeah, you don't have to touch me.
No, don't touch me.
No, you need to carry.
I can hit you.
You need to carry my beers.
Yes, of course. I will be your servant.
See, that's Jens. That's Jens. Don't drop my beers.
Oh my God.
These are actually good beers, Jens. They are good beers. They are not puke beers. Why are you so thin? You have AIDS? You have AIDS?
Yeah.
Like Michael Jackson?
No, like
Freddie Mercury?
yeah, Freddy.
Freddie?
If you take a beer with another beer,
Yeah, they can see.
oh, that's good, Bjørn.
Smell!
That smells good.
It smells good? Yes?
Yes, it smells. Yeah, it smells
This is
good.
a-
It
yeah.
smells good.
It's a normal beer. It's without these gene-modified plants.
And this is my twin brother. He's This is my twin brother, Bjørn. He's not, what can you say, so smart. Oh my God.
From the beers.
Bjørn, this tastes like, it tastes good. And it tastes like when I walk. Auf Wiedersehen, du.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Yeah, auf Wiedersehen. It tastes like a flower in the forest.
My back just went. What are you doing with that?
I put it in this little oven.
Oh, you put the tobacco in the little oven?
Yes.
Yeah. Success. Yeah.
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
And 100,
100?
120 degrees. 2 minutes.
What is that?
So I get the tobacco.
What is that?
I get the tobacco.
What is that?
That's tobacco, hot tobacco.
Hot tobacco?
Hot tobacco.
What is that?
What?
What is that?
To my pipe.
You okay?
Black pipe. Indian pipe.
Tobacco
Peace pipe.
in the black pipe.
Peace pipe in my peace pipe. So.
Yeah. Success. Yeah.
2 minutes. 1 minute,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. Success. Yeah.
Get a test. Okay, I will be bent over.
Yes, fucking hell. You look like a concentration camp prisoner. What the fuck? Why you lose so much weight? I'm serious now. I'm not joking. You have AIDS. Or something similar. Something similar to AIDS. I'm serious.
I really don't know what I have to say to
Yeah,
you.
but you look like a concentration camp prisoner. You know how the Jews in the concentration camps, they were skinny, yes? And you look like exactly one of those people, man.
Can you look at yourself? What is this you have here?
No, let me show you my
Yeah,
shoulders.
what is that you have here?
Let me show you my shoulders.
Yeah, okay. I can take my shirt off and we can... Oh, okay. I can take mine off also.
Yes, you can. But look at my shoulders. Maybe they're also skinny.
I have to check if I also take my shirts off. I will check if they donate. I'll take my shirt off if they donate.
Okay, if you donate,
Yeah.
Jens, he will also show his shoulder. Look at that. Oh my God. What is that I have there, Jens?
Okay, I can
It looks like a bullet hole.
What?
Did Busserin try to pierce me in the night?
What?
There,
Oh, just look normal.
there.
It's okay, Bjørn.
Maybe Busserin in the night, I don't know. You see?
That's okay, Bjørn. That's
yes,
okay.
yes. Do you see what that
Your
is?
body is okay.
Do you see what that is? It's iron.
Aaron,
Iron.
it's
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah. All that is iron.
Okay.
That's why nobody in Copenhagen have wanted to start a fight with me. Every time I go in the city, people, they are afraid because of this. See? He doesn't have so many muscles.
No.
But it's actually not because he have AIDS or he's fine.
I'm fine.
Yeah, you're fine. You don't have so many muscles as me.
What the meaning of fat or muscles?
So basically, you and me, we don't have any fat. We are fatless.
Fatless.
Yeah, I don't have fat on my body. It's pure muscles. You don't have any fat. Obviously, you're very skinny. So that's the difference between non-fat and fat people. Fat people, I mean, they are basically walking around in their own fat every day. And they cannot move. They need to take a taxi or they need people to carry them down the stairs because they're so fat. You know? That's the difference, yes.
Okay, that's okay. Maybe there's some girls in the chat that want to contact me, and they can come to Denmark and live here in my apartment together with me and Bjørn, and we have funny and party.
Not me. I will not be here.
I will take care of them.
I will not be here when you meet a big old fat guy outside your door pretending to be a beautiful young girl. I will not be here.
Har du prøvet det før?
No, but that is, it's only men in my chat.
No.
Yeah, that's good, Jens. Holy shit, dude.
So, my fucking twin brother.
But you need to eat more fat. You need to be more fatty, like me. You have to more fat.
Who looks best?
Okay, I take my shirt off.
Yes.
I take my shirt off.
Yes. From 1 to 10. Me or Bjørn? You cannot say that to the camera. Can you say?
Oh, I'm much bigger than you. Holy shit.
Are you more fat?
No, I'm bigger. You see? Oh, by the way, this is muscles. It's just you know, it's muscles. Muscles. Muscle. It's a muscle. It's okay. Look at my shoulder compared to your shoulder. Jens, come on with your shoulder. No,
Yeah, I'm sitting and relaxing, Bjørn.
No, look.
I'm taking it normally.
No, just move forward so we can see.
What?
See.
Oh.
See, Jens and me. We are so different. What? We don't even look like each other.
It's so late tonight, so I don't want to.
But you look really good on camera. Well, you don't have any. Yeah, you look good. Yeah, you look really good, Jens. Actually, I think you look amazing. Okay, you don't have AIDS.
Oh, sure.
Yes. You just have. It's just muscles.
Oh my God, this is my twin brother. Okay, so take it easy. It's just a joke.
Yeah, but we don't look like each other, Jens.
Yeah, we are twin brothers. Ask my mother.
Yeah, we have the same mother.
Yes.
We were born the same day.
Yeah.
But maybe your father is another father. Is maybe not.
Can we get
Maybe
some clothes
your
on?
father is not my father.
Can we get some clothes on and?
Because we don't look like. We look like we have different fathers.
Yeah, but we are twin brothers.
Yes, we can still have different fathers.
I'm 5 minutes older.
Yes, but maybe your father is another man. A little bit over here in the middle. Over here. Hey. Hey, take a big breath.
Hvorfor du bliver du ondskabsfuld og sådan noget? Jeg prøver bare at være sjov.
Oh, this is no. It's a silent movie. Don't you get it?
You have a lot of good friends, Bjørn, on the internet. So
Yeah, but no, some of them are not good friends. They call the police and they make me go to jail.
I know.
They report me to the police.
This is the good.
Some of them are not good.
Yeah. But now this is good people.
There's also some of them report me to the Danish government and say I make a lot of donations, so I have to pay back a lot of money to the government. So yeah, what? So not all of them are good. Some of them are bad.
Yeah, that's good.
Where's your spit bucket? Yes.
Hvad?
I need a spit bucket. I need like a cowboy in the western. They spit all the time, like me.
It's my place, and he's visiting me tonight. So, and if you are watching right now, I have a lot of room in my place, so there's a place for streamer party. What they call? I'm sure about my twin brother. He's not freezing because he have all this fat about him. So he has all this fat
What? Wait, what did you say?
with his bones.
What did you say?
So I have to take clothes on, and so. But because my twin brother is so fat and opsvulmet fedlæst lort og sådan noget, så ja.
I'm trying to... I pretend I didn't hear that. Do I look serious? No. Oh my God!
I will give you 100 kroner.
I take your beer.
You flag around in the floor. Flag around the floor.
No, you.
I will film you.
No, you do.
Artie cat.
I take your beer.
No. How do you get it?
You go on the ground floor.
You are the...
Do like them. Do like them. Okay. Okay. Was it okay?
1813.
It's very hard to...
Jeg synes, det er 1813.
Can you call the police? Call ambulance. Can you call ambulance? Oh my God.
He's an old man.
I'm too old for that.
Chris Hansen sent $3.
Elsker ironisk.
I love you. I love you. Thank you. I love you.
Chris Hansen sent
You want to understand?
I love you. I will come back to Denmark. I'm trapped in America. No money. Nothing. Patience with me. I will come back to you. I love you. I will come back to Denmark. Be patient with me. I'm trapped in America. Be patient. No money. I cannot shave. I'm stuck. I will come back over to you. I love you. I will come back to Denmark. I love you. In America, I have nothing. Be patient with me. Stop calling me all the time, okay? You see the red button?
You want to understand?
It means we are
I
live.
love you.
If it turns white, that means
I love you.
we are
Why
live.
do you not take the camera up here?
I don't know, you can take it.